The sea beast is loose. So how many of the interns have we lost?
Oh, I lost count. It was greater than 100, so yeah.
Can I do it next?
All right, who's gonna write their name in the concrete?
And so whenever I drive Kraken at home, I try to make smiley faces with it because I can make it wheelie. And so I can wheelie up and then just like do the little smiley face.
Hypershock and Tazbot. Those are the only two I haven't driven now. Because I drove.
Let's try and spin it.
We're here with Greg Munson, one of the founders of BattleBots. Can you please explain to us what is the Destruct-A-Thon?
Destruct-A-Thon, think of it like a nightly showcase of the BattleBot show you see on TV, but it's all about the robots fighting. This is not televised, but it's all the kick-ass destruction that you would normally see on Thursday nights on Discovery. Come on down to Las Vegas and see bots like Hypershock fight bots like Kraken, bots like Witch Doctor. It's awesome. Come check it out.
I did not sleep very well last night. I had a lot of nightmares.
So that is Donald Hudson. This is Jim Smitowski. They're here dropping off clones of their BattleBots. Each team was asked to build 5 robots inside a budget and then drop them off so the BattleBots crew can run them for the Destruct-A-Thon. Now, Jim, Bunny, Donald, Adrian, these builders aren't going to move to Vegas and do this every night. They're going to be leaving their little babies in the hands and care of the BattleBots crew. Hey there, Donald. This is a beautiful robot. Is this the one we had in the pit area at BattleBots?
No, it's actually another version. I actually did a completely new version since then that I thought was more of a reductionist version. We have a single amp flow motor at 160 to 1 with dual 50 chains, 100 amp speed controller. We still have our mini bot section, which isn't active yet, but it's a fully isolated rear section, and it uses 6 amp flows. The cheaper motor version at 16 to 1. It drives great, really easy to repair. I'm sure the welders will have fun building my frame. But
it does look quite complicated.
actually it does, but one of the things people should know is that I put all the effort in the tongue and groove frame. So these parts all sit flat on a table tacked with no bolts. Literally it's you don't put any welds on each of the individual components because they're tongue and groove. So there is no wrong place to put a part. Even the weapon is slotted and tabbed so that this very complex shape, it has some ugly welds, but you know, let's be fair, we want to make them quick, and it's more for you know, a strong chromoly frame that's repairable and can still put out a lot of damage. So Tazbot 2.0 coming to wreak havoc.
Here at the Destruct-A-Thon.
The Destruct-A-Thon.
One of the things I am most excited about the Destruct-A-Thon is to see so many OG BattleBots from the 90 series coming back. This is Christian Carlberg's Overkill, and this is the former middleweight champion El Diablo brought back as a heavyweight Diablo. Now, their opening day, they found out the treads weren't working well in the arena, and so they're doing an emergency swap out to turn El Diablo from a treaded robot to a 4-wheel robot. So let's check in with the team and see how this emergency switch is going. All right, so what's the motto here on the team?
Here at Team Diablo, we do things right the 3rd way. That way there is no 4th way. We also do it the hard way, because it's the only way left. For 3rd time, there is no 4th way. Hey, Jameson here, and the winner of the autographed Sawblaze toy is Attack Robotics. Congratulations. Please respond to the reply comment to get the toy on its way to you.
5.
Oh, wow.
We were,
That's a lot of pieces.
Party. Thanks for those are fun.
He has stopped inviting me. I wasn't on the list. Hey, Builder Blog. I've stolen Zach's phone, and I am doing some recording this week. I don't think you're ready for this, guys. I really don't. It is time to get hyped. Dun, dun, dun. Shocking. He's been put to work. What are you working on?
We're making wire harnesses for Kraken.
Ooh.
We better get Kraken. Oh my god.
New and improved
Easier now.
lighting. Now you won't burn yourself. On purpose. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Someone had a good day fishing. Look at all those Kraken panels down there.
Wood, pieces of wood. And let's just prop it up till we get it just the right height.
So we showed you what happens inside. This is what happens outside when they're doing the wheels off the ground test. They bring the robots out here to test all the drives and stuff. Voodoo.
After a hard day of building, soldering, welding, grinding, adjusting chains, swapping out treads, we have 10 robots lined up, ready for the first night of the Destruct-A-Thon. In just a few minutes, fans are going to be filling every one of these seats for the opening night of this new live Vegas show. And let me say, it feels just like Vegas.
Fight! 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 Let the boss battle begin! Oh, Oh!
Something I was amazed by is just how much damage the Destruct-A-Thon robots are doing to each other. They have 5 copies of each robot, but in each match they were taking heavy, heavy damage. This is not fake, this is not staged. Bots are being torn up. They're setting up a state-of-the-art robot facility to build, repair, make new parts for all of the Destruct-A-Thon robots, because they're going to need to turn out new parts and new pieces every night.
Let the boss battle begin!
Now, audience members who came to the very first week had something special. The actual builders and teams were there to make sure everything went off without a hitch. But they need to get back to their labs and keep working on new versions of the robot for the next season of the Discovery Channel show Battlebots. So they now have these Vegas representative teammates who live in Vegas, work in Vegas, and will be running the bots for them while they're back at their labs building the next generation of Krakens and Malices. So I wish BattleBots all the luck in their new endeavor, and if you would like to buy tickets, they are available at battlebots.com/tickets.
A fountain. Have you been a good boy? You've better been a good boy.